You guys won't believe this. 12 months ago, I was drowning in $20,000 of debt. Credit cards, bills, loans, it felt impossible. But one simple system helped me escape it all in just 12 months. And no, I didn't get a second job or win the lottery. I just learned how to budget smart. Stay with me. This step-by-step guide might change your life. First, I needed the whole picture, so I listed out every single debt I had. How much did I owe? What was the interest rate? And what was the minimum monthly payment due date? Once I had it all written down, it wasn't as scary as I thought. Facing my numbers gave me control. Next, I built a zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. Rent, groceries, utilities, debt payments, savings. Without a budget, you're just a slave to your spending. Using a free tool like Google Sheets, I laid out my plan for the entire month. Every single dollar was assigned to a specific category with a specific purpose. This gave me clarity on where my money was going and where I could make adjustments. Here's the deal. You don't have to be perfect to make progress. There will be times when life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up. Don't beat yourself up. Just adjust and move on. It's better to have a budget and be flexible than to be stressed out and stuck. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes. I took a close look at my expenses and cut back on anything that wasn't essential. Things like Netflix, subscriptions, eating out, shopping, all of it. It's not forever, just until you get your debt under control. I found free alternatives to expensive habits. Instead of going to the movies, I had movie nights at home. I discovered a whole new world of free activities like hiking, biking, exploring local parks. I even traded in my car for a cheaper, more fuel-efficient one. Every dollar I saved was a dollar closer to being debt-free. You know what? It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Why? Because I was building a life that I actually wanted. Freedom to choose, the power to say yes to opportunities without taking on more debt. That's priceless, but here's the truth bomb. You don't have to be frugal forever. The snowball method. I paid off my smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once I paid off that first debt, I took the money I was paying on that debt and put it towards the next smallest debt. This kept me motivated as I saw quick wins early on. The momentum carried me forward, and before I knew it, I was debt-free. Every week, I looked at my progress, celebrated the wins, adjusted the plan when needed, and stayed focused on my goal. If you're struggling with debt, consider increasing your income. I took on freelance gigs, did odd jobs, anything to bring in extra cash. Even an extra $100 a month makes a huge difference when added to your debt payments. Remember, every little bit counts. There are so many ways to boost your income. Sell stuff you don't need on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Offer your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Drive Uber or deliver food. The gig economy is booming. Start a side hustle. The internet offers endless opportunities. Share your knowledge, offer your services. With some basic skills, you can earn extra income from the comfort of home. And hey, don't go at it alone. Tell your friends and family about your goals. Their support can keep you accountable and motivated. If you liked this advice, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Let's wrap this up. I went from $20,000 in debt to debt-free in 1 year. How? By facing my numbers, building a budget, cutting back using the snowball method, boosting my income, and tracking my progress. Now it's your turn. Which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. I reply to every comment. Let's make 2024 your best financial year yet. Remember, it's not about the money, it's about the freedom and the life you're building. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Keep going.